Hey guys, just giving you an update on my two yen trades I had taken on the Earth and Sky. They were slightly different when it came to my entries. So I had one on here on Euro Yen. So my order was in here at 155, 500 basically, and my stop was behind this low that it had made because you can see here on the trading view as well, it's pretty clear. There's clear support going on in here, and for it to break down here, it would have to break this low here as well. So there was a bit of structure in there, and this one is basically around 65 pips in profit, and the pound yen as well, quite similar trade. This one as well, I got a good entry on this one, reacted to the weekly support and reversed, and basically I'm also a 70 pips in profit on that one, so around 140 pips. So there is NFP coming out in about when is it, 40 minutes, 1:30 p.m. in the UK. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock in some profits, and since this one is only a 0.50 lot, I'm going to close this full trade, and we'll do that. So I've closed it, and hold on a second. I think I've got one click trading on, so I'm going to remove that because I need to take half of this off, which is 60, 70 pips in profit. So what I'm going to do is, I guess, yeah, that didn't work, but anyway, I've done 140 pips, um, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. So I was actually going to move my stop, but it seemed like it did not like that one, and yeah, it's still on. I don't know why that is, but anyways, I've secured 140 pips, and we'll see where the NFP news goes. Thank you.